Hello, this is Division Chief Brandon Groller of Johnston Fire and Rescue. I would like to take a few minutes of your day to discuss a topic that has recently come up in our department. This topic is the importance of HIPAA and the legalities of texting patient information and pictures. Recently, during some patient transports, we have had some instances where paramedics are texting such things as patient name, chief complaint, vital signs, signs and symptoms, and the OPQRST. In addition, some have even sent pictures regarding the call. This is all important information and may be seen as harmless and necessary transfer of this information. The department, however, has identified the texting of this private information as a potential legal issue regarding HIPAA. Our goal is to prevent any such security breach of patient information as well as legal action against the department. Although it may be seen as an easy way to transmit information instead of doing a radio report to the hospital, it is potentially placing the patient's private information into the hands of cyber criminals. In addition, this seemingly harmless text may accidentally be viewed by someone else who could see the text, such as a person passing by or by mistake, perhaps, in case the wrong person was texted. In any event, there is potential for private information to be compromised. In my own experience, I have seen this take place. Some patient information was obtained by a third party through a caregiver, and it was thought to be an appropriate transfer of necessary information by text. The receiving caregiver unwittingly passed the information to the third party when the third party happened to be standing behind them as the text arrived. As you can see, this issue could have been prevented. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, is there to protect people and to ensure that their personal information is secure. As firefighters and paramedics, we must make sure that this patient privacy and security is safe with us. It is our duty to not only help the public to the best of our ability, but to also ensure the privacy of the very people that we help. Please look at this as if it was your own family member was in this situation. You would certainly want the medical personnel to maintain this privacy for them. Well, the same goes for anyone. This privacy should never be at risk by the very people that are administering care. The privacy rule of HIPAA states that health care providers such as us, along with health care plans, health care clearinghouses, and business associates of these, all must comply. For us as care providers, we are quite often the first entity to make contact with the patient. It is us who initially make the good decision to provide care in a way that also provides dignity and privacy to our patients. Health information that is subject to HIPAA compliance and is protected includes all patient demographics, including gender, birth date, and ethnicity. All contact and emergency contact information is also protected by HIPAA. In addition, such things as diagnoses, treatment, and prescription information are all protected as well. Anything relating to the past, present, or future health care status of an individual is protected, so no information may be texted in reference to these. Recently, pictures have been texted along with patient information to the radio nurse who is receiving report. We understand that this could be helpful in describing injury. However, it is also subject to cybercrime and potential privacy compromise. Please refrain from this as well. Please remember that if this was a family member, we would most likely not want a picture of them sent in their time of need. The legalities of non-compliance with HIPAA by texting patient information, even to a nurse or medical facility, are potentially huge. Organizations can receive penalties as severe as fines up to $25,000 for each violation per calendar year. Larger fines can be issued by the Office for Civil Rights. They can issue fines up to $1.5 million per violation category per year. In some cases, in the past, multi-million-dollar fines have been issued to organizations. Lawsuits based on state law can also take place. Individuals can also be fined or even face jail time. In conclusion, I am not here today to scare or intimidate employees, but to simply ask that we do the right thing. The reasons for not texting patient information or pictures range from legal reasons to moral. I ask that we do the right thing for our patients, our organization, and ourselves. Let us do the right thing before a problem arises. As firefighters and care providers, we hold ourselves to a higher standard, and we owe it to our patients and ourselves to maintain that high standard in every aspect of our job. Thank you for your time.